We got 2 down in the valley moving uphill. Move over to these trees. Down at the 4,000. We're going to move up and across. We got one of our guys that way. Okay. I'm pretty sure. I can see the party tank. Are those directed at us?
We should get in position. Because we can't actually shoot anything right now.
Yeah, no, I can't see shit.
Do you know where the rest of them went? Like, are they all just down there?
Yeah. That's all I've seen is down there. I haven't seen anybody up there or anything.
Maybe, are they just, do they not even know the game started?
No, they know. I started it down there.
Okay.
Game's on, they know.
Maybe they're just hard coppers.
Yeah, maybe they're just hard copters.
That's Joe's
Riding
name.
the struggle bus.
That's Joe Chrysler's name for people who fly really
so
dumb
an
on
agent,
Battlefield
yeah,
3.
It's hard copters.
Hey, who has it? You have a sniper? Alex, you want to go with him? I'll be a lone wolf. Alright, like if... I just seriously get him out. No way.
See where I'm shooting? It's 2 of them, they're moving.
Crow, get some of those guys down here. We're taking a lot of fire. Alright, cover me. I'm going to front of the tree, alright?
Yep.
Steven?
Should I push or go?
We're taking fire from over there. See if you can get an angle on anybody going up. Pushing them back under the tree. Crow, get some of the guys down here.
No, dude, we need some of those guys. We're taking a lot of fire from over here. He's over there.
The guy over here left, but he's still getting fire over here. Hey, two more.
Hey, guy in the back, guy in the back! Watch your six! Watch your six! That it! What? Just wait.
Where are you defending?
10 minutes!
Wait.
10 minutes!
Where do we have to play the bomb?
In the little bucket.
Bucket, what bucket?
Should be in the middle there unless they moved it, which would not be
The yellow
cool.
bucket?
Yeah, yellow bucket.
I see it. Can you see it?
Yeah.
That's
We
right.
moved it around the pine tree.
Which way?
In the back side of the
I'll follow you.
Unlimited tag-ins. Camera. Jonathan, stand up. Stay where you're at, though. Yeah, back in. Yeah, back in, Jonathan.
Right here.
I love holding your finger.
Danny.
Yo, back in, Brody.
Danny.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Back in.
9 minutes.
Hey, America! Yeah! Goddamn America!
Oh, AKs!
Goddamn AKs!
Got one.
Move in, there's one more for Sheriff there. There's one.
Guy in the tree.
Guys.
Got him. Got him. Guy in the tree. All right, plant the bomb. Plant the bomb. Let's go.
For America.
Don't.
America.
Are you hit, bro?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
America.
Plant this bomb. Hold on. I'm your enemy. Whoa. Jeez. Hit. Yep, definitely hit.
8 minutes.
What happened? This is just complete chaos right now.
I was like, don't shoot him!
I didn't see him.
Yeah, I know. And then he's like, I'm an enemy.
Dude, he's gonna tag everyone back in. They're gonna run up and plant the bomb, and you guys have nothing.
Danny!
You still got 7 minutes left, guys.
Back in. That was definitely that was a fucking move. See how?
Back in!
Great spot. I got one like shot in between the triple and tree guy, like square in the chest, and then I got that guy. How many? You can't move there, kid. What's that? I got the go what's up?
Get a bomb.
Four minutes!
Grenades count, you know?
Camera!
Alright guys, you got AGs up there.
Hit!
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8.
Okay!
3 minutes!
Moving to left.
Is that friendly up there?
What?
Is that friendly up there?
Negative.
What? Blue team, assault their base. Get up here, we got like 2 minutes left.
You got him.
You okay?
Yeah, drop the grenade. You got it.
2 minutes! 2 minutes!
Hit!
Check in.
You're a brave man, Nate.
Thank you. I'm scared of shit. I do it for the YouTubes.
YouTubes.
On the left, guys, on the left.
30 seconds! I'm still gonna get hit with a grenade.
On the left, you guys.
Bang, bang, bang.
Okay,
bang,
okay.
Bang, bang, bang,
You guys are all dead. You guys are all dead.
They're all dead, they're all dead!
Our team just died.
15 seconds!
Go, go, go!
15 seconds.
Give me the lighter, give me the lighter.
10 seconds.
Come on.
Come on, let her don't
Come on, Gabe.
Let's go, Gabe. Come on, Gabe.
Light it!
Come on.
Don't light it!
5 seconds.
Stop! Don't work lighter!
Don't work. Keep no working.
If it doesn't light, that's still their win, you guys. And you know it.
Oh, shut up!
Shut up.
Come on, we worked hard.
I'll give you a Zippo.
It's lighting, isn't it?
No, it's like sparking.
Maybe he's just bad with lighters. This is very anticlimactic after everything that just happened.
Yeah.
After everything that just happened.
Oh, that was intense.
I'll even.
Hey, Steve.
Yeah.
Good job.
Alright.
There we go.
Hey!
Game over! Blue team wins! Holy shit, you guys.
Oh, that was a long
Climb up the hill.